Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about the proportion. So, let us find the value of n. Okay. So, here in fraction, paano nga ba natin kukuhanin yung n? Okay, so let's do the cross multiplication. So, we're going to multiply 6 and n, and then yung 9 and 18. Ayan, so 6 times n, so we have 6n, and then 9 times 18 is equal to 162. And then, para makuha natin si n, so para maiwan si n, so let us both divide by 6. Ayan, so para makancel si 6, so divide. Next, 162 divided by 6 is equal to, so write lang natin si n, and we have 27. So, therefore, n is equal to 27. Now, here, paano naman natin kukuhanin si n dito? Okay, so let us divide the extreme, ayan, and the means, yung nasa loob. Okay, so first, we have, or n times 10 is equal to 10n, and then 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Yan, so para matira si n dito sa kabila, so i-divide natin sila both side by 10. So we have to cancel 10 here, and now natira na si n, then equals 20 divide 10 is equal to 2. So therefore, n is equal to 2. Did you get it?
Again, let us have a recap about the proportion.
So what is proportion? A proportion is a statement of equality of two ratios. So yan. So paano nga ba natin nakuha si n dito sa fraction and dito si n sa ratio and proportion? Now, from here, in fraction, ang ginawa natin dito is cross multiplication. So pinag-times natin si 6 and n, and then si 9 and 18. So, times natin si 6 and n, so we have 6n here, and 9 times 18, so we have 162. And now, para makuha natin si n, dahil si 6 ang katabi ni n, so i-divide natin sila both side by 6. Ayan. And then, para makancel si 6 doon. So, naiwan si n, so relate lang natin dito, equals, and then i-divide lang natin si 162 dito kay 6. So, the answer is 27. So, what is proportion? A proportion is a statement of equality of two ratios. So, yan. So, paano nga ba natin nakuha si n dito sa fraction and dito si n sa ratio and proportion? Now, from here, in fraction, ang ginawa natin dito is cross multiplication. So, pinag-times natin si 6 and n, and then si 9 and 18. So, times natin si 6 and n, so we have 6n here, and 9 times 18, so we have 162. And now, para makuha natin si n, dahil si 6 ang katabi ni n, so i-divide natin sila both side by 6. Ayan. And then, para makancel si 6 doon. So, naiwan si n, so relate lang natin dito, equals, and then i-divide lang natin si 162 dito kay 6. So, the answer is 27. Now, in this ratio, ayan, so paano naman natin kinuha si n dito? Yung ginawa naman natin dito is, tinimes natin yung nasa labas, and then yung nasa loob. Okay, ibig sabihin, labas sa labas, loob sa loob, yung ipagka-times natin. So, nandito si n, and si 10. So, n times 10 is equal to 10n, and then 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Now, para maiwan si n doon, makancel si 10. So, i-divide natin sila both side by 10. Ayan, lagyan natin ng over 10 dito, and then over 10 dito. Ayan, so, cancel natin ng 10, naiwan si n, and then equals, then divide naman natin si 20 and 10. So, 20 divided 10 is equal to 2. Now, the answer is, n is equal to 2. So, there you have it, the basic proportion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more math videos. See ya!